If you want to prevent users to don't type any text in a specific column, so you have to select that column, go to data, select data validation, select custom in allow field, and in the formula field type a formula is equal to is number, and select first cell of the column, close bracket, select OK. If you type any text, it will show a alert and error message. You can type only any number. Data validation, any value in the formula is text, and bracket open, select first cell of the column, bracket close, OK. Now if you type any number, show a error message. Type any text here.